and every big woman get my attention, my love. The big woman they want in a spotlight and me now give them it. You ready for go babe now? You ready for go babe? Eh? You ready for go babe? The more you lose ice, I can't lose ice because ice now get lick on them something. The ice will take care. And you know hungry. You know, if you want a roomy, fatty, nice. And you know say annoyance make them vex because ice knowing. Ice come popular more than all of who. All of what try get popular long time, ice come bust before them. And that then I like. Ice, you know long them try build a page and can ever pass 50k followers and you just born a while ago almost and you the 90k. You clap how much likes for your picture and videos. One woman messaged me yesterday said she want to buy some things for Ice. I tell her to take a gear put in them. I tell her to take a gear put in them. If you don't have none, go give a grand. If you don't go give your neighbor, go give somebody who wants him. I don't want them. I don't want you buy nothing for my son. If I 3 clothes Ice have him, I repeat it 3 of them. And if you don't feel like my son has 7 months and he should have more clothes than that, all you have to do is go check the wish list and I will put some clothes on it and you buy them off of the wish list. Honestly. If you feel like you need some clothes, I'm going to put some clothes on your wish list and you buy them off of it. That's all you have to do. But until now, I might keep the clothes them where I have. When me feel like you need whole heap of clothes, I buy them clothes. Because clothes can go in and brain. That's what phone pick the word about fashion. I understand y'all. When the whole social media, like the whole Jamaicans, when they come at me and try to bully me and try to say the meanest shit, yeah, I should just sit down and take it. When y'all want to talk about workless movie, I'm a beggy on TikTok. I'm gonna do the most. I should just sit down and let y'all disrespect me. But when I clap back on the media now, I wanna take down my things them, I wanna post it all over and everybody is just at. I like that, fine by me, no problem. My love one not like me because I don't like one. So I don't look no knowings, I don't look no likings, but I don't stop at up on the head. Come lick. Cause your mouth full of spit. And you think like shit. Hey! Way! I would a blood clot this. Girl, come and make we talk about this. Oh, yes, I cock up in a cheap panty. Send me have a man and him to tell you about this. But now, hey. So my mama I go to OnlyFans. We not really care. King mix up, go and big up yourself. The only mix up page will make sense, boy. Yeah. When you see King Mix Up, we have to salute King Mix Up. King Mix Up was the first person who introduced me to YouTube. If you never know, you know now. King Mix Up is the first person who tell me, Ivany, make a YouTube page, mama.